The following presentation is brought to you by farmwars.info. Have you ever thought about how important food is and just how it can be used as a weapon against you if a few multinational corporations are allowed to control everything we eat? Well, we have. Listen while our host, Professor Poochenstein, gives us a quick rundown of the situation we are facing. Professor Poochenstein here. Did you know that our food is being used as a weapon against us, and organic farming is in danger of being eliminated?
Yeah, Pooch. The New World Order eugenicists want to reduce the world's population to 500 million people.
And that's not all, Flea. Monsanto and other biotech companies have created genetically engineered or GMO seeds that are not good for us at all. They also patent the gene in these seeds, then make farmers buy their seeds each year, along with the pesticides to spray on the plants. The plants grown from GMO seeds aren't even tested to make sure that they are safe to eat. If the plants look okay, then they are assumed to be safe. Monsanto says that the food from their seeds is good for us, but we know better. Independent scientists have tested GMO food and found that it is very dangerous and even causes death and sterility. We are being treated like cattle, and Monsanto is getting away with feeding us whatever it wants to. The New World Order doesn't want us to know that what we are eating is dangerous, so they make sure that GMO food is not labeled. The sicker we get, the more money they make, and the quicker the population is reduced. Monsanto is trying to take over all of our food and get rid of family farmers so that we will have no choice but to eat GMOs. Did you know that if Monsanto finds a GMO plant in a farmer's field, the company sues the farmer and tries to bankrupt him? Monsanto will actually send spies to a farmer's field, and if one GMO plant is found, Monsanto sues the farmer. It doesn't matter how the plant got there. So what can we do about this? Well, Barefoot Barb says that we can stop Monsanto from taking control of our lives and beat the eugenicists by not buying GMOs and by growing our own food from good, clean, organic, non-GMO seeds. If we do this, we can save the seeds each year for our next year's planting and always have extra for family and friends. Gardens are fun, and do you know what one of the best things of all is? You get to dig in the soil and not worry about getting dirty. Help stop Monsanto and start your own garden now. I'm glad you could join us here at Farm Wars, and I hope this little presentation has been informative. Thanks for listening. Well, it's time to say goodnight, Flea. Good night, Flea! Good night, folks.